Adaptive changes in the body's systems, such as increased strength or endurance, in response to a resistance exercise program or transient unless training induced improvements are regularly used for functional activities or unless an individual participates in a maintenance program of resistance exercises. This is known as a reversibility principle, B. Said principle, C. Overload principle, D. Specificity, and the answer is a reversibility principle. Explanation for this question is: the reversibility principle states that the adaptive changes or improvements gained from a resistance exercise program are temporary and will be gradually lost if the training stimulus is removed or significantly reduced. In other words, if an individual stops participating in a resistance exercise program or fails to maintain the same level of training intensity, the physiological adaptations and gains in strength, endurance, or other fitness components will gradually reverse or diminish over time. The reversibility principle highlights the importance of consistent and continued training to maintain the benefits achieved through a resistance exercise program. If the training stimulus is not sustained, the body will eventually revert to its pre-training state, and the adaptive changes will be lost. This principle applies not only to resistance training but also to other forms of exercise and physical activity. It underscores the need for individuals to participate in a maintenance program or incorporate their training-induced improvements into functional activities to prevent the reversal of the gains they have achieved. The other options provided are related to different principles in exercise science. B. Said principle, specific adaptation to imposed demands. This principle states that the body will adapt specifically to the type of stress or demand imposed upon it through exercise. C. Overload principle. This principle states that for further adaptations and improvements to occur, the body must be exposed to a training stimulus that exceeds its current capacity or level of fitness. D. Specificity. This principle states that the adaptations or improvements resulting from an exercise program will be specific to the type of training performed and the muscles, energy systems, and movements involved.